guys, I am shattered. I just had to walk around town by myself carrying this heavy bag. I'm not even trying to sound lazy, but I'm so used to my boyfriend helping me carry bags that I just can't do it myself no more. I used to be able to, but now I'm just a weak girl. I went to a few shops, but I'm just going to do a Primark haul. Oh yeah, I didn't say what it is. We're doing a Primark haul. Just because the other bits were kind of like Christmas stuff. I have got a couple Christmas gifts in here. Also, I grabbed these from M&S. I know, I'm not an M&S snob at all, but their sandwiches, if you're vegan, they're no chicken and chorizo sandwich. Oh my goodness. And then I found these Rocky Road pieces, dairy free again, vegan queenie. It has honeycomb and then a different crunchy one that kind of tastes like popcorn, and then raisins, all chocolate covered in here. The crunchy ones taste like, if anyone remembers these from when they was younger, I have such a clear vision in my head, and like they don't do it no more. How much I try to search it up, it doesn't come up. Did anyone ever get in the View cinemas like popcorn, chocolate covered, but it had like a crunch, like not popcorn crunch, like kind of like a Malteser crunch inside? Oh my god, and the packet was orange. Please tell me I'm not going delusional. So as I said, I went to a Primark today and I went the other day. I got 2 bags. Going by yourself is so much nicer because you can really have a proper look at stuff. So that's what I did. I got these 2 pairs of cozy socks. I did have another one, but I opened them earlier. Here we go. These ones, and they've also got, I think, brown, but these are brown, and then it's got this on it. These are quite tight though. Oh no, they don't feel it. Maybe my legs are just a bit super warm. I just thought they'd be cute with outfits. These were £4. Also, if you don't like a complainer, don't watch this video because I'm going to be complaining about the prices of Primark the whole time. £4 for them. You're taking the mick out of me. Got some tape. I also got some today as well, so I don't actually know why I done that. Just some tape because you get 2 in there and that's £1. Thank you Primark for staying in your lane with £1. This is an air freshener that I actually didn't get from Primark, but if you haven't tried the Glade Warm Apple Pie Apple and Cinnamon air freshener, this is amazing. I can't actually undo it. See what I mean? Like, I'm just... The girlies that get it, like when you have a boyfriend and they're not there, you just can't do anything. Like I can't open that. So pathetic. But that scent is literally amazing. Then I grabbed this bag here. I know, massive. Not normally a massive bag girl. But when I went to Manchester recently, I needed a bag that was big enough for like my iPads and like snacks and stuff that would zip up. I don't have one because I just don't feel safe walking around with like my iPad hanging out. My iPad is very obvious, it's got strawberries on it, but I thought this would be quite nice. Like yeah, it is quite big, it's got stuffing in it. It is quite big, but it's ideal. I don't go out often, so did I actually need it? No, but it's always great to have. This is from the Rita Ora collection. I personally love the Rita Ora collection, really great. This was £14. You joking? This would actually be a great like college and school bag as well. Then I grabbed it in black. This is it without stuffing. Cute, not so cute. I actually said to my boyfriend, like, not actually meaning it, can you see if they got it in black? And he was like, okay. I literally have thought to myself, I was like, I don't know why I've said that because there wasn't black there. And then he came back with this and he was like, yeah, it was the last one. What the hell? He can honestly find anything. Another thing in Primark, he's so good for finding sizes. Like I can look and be like, oh, there's not a 2 extra small. He bam 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 found it. Honestly stun. Again, Rita Ora collection, £14. I just thought, because I wear a lot of cream and I wear a lot of black, have the option of 2, not necessary at all. I just wanted to buy something really. And then I got this bag. This is not from the Rita Ora collection. It's like satin cream, and then it's got these diamantes on. I've actually already filmed all like my party inspo videos, so this would have been great. Why did I not use this? Really nice like height as well. You can fit a lot in that. Makeup bags. Are you a bit high? No, you're okay. Also, I've just realised I'm just wearing my black headband that I wore out in my pyjamas. Hope you don't mind. I'm not dressed fully for the day. And then I got these. These are absolutely amazing. This is the gingerbread scent. I do love the apple and cinnamon one as well, but they didn't have it. These are £1.30. They are room scents, and it says they last up to 4 weeks. They don't. They probably last about a week and a half, 2 weeks, but I don't know if that's just because I'm like numb to the smell of apple and cinnamon at the moment, because autumn winter is just where I go for it. I love scents. I will mix scents. I'll have 5 candles going, air fresheners, plug-ins, the lot. But these are really, really nice. I think if you put one like on one of your clothes and like put it in the wardrobe, do you know what I mean? That would be quite nice. If you got a different scent, if you didn't want your clothes to smell like gingerbread, I do. But yeah, I've got these basically on every door in the house because I absolutely love them. I grabbed a black bow. Again, I needed this the other day. This is why I should have unpacked it. But I really like these, just if you have like half up, half down and pin it at the back. I think it's really, really adorable. This was £2.50. It's satin. I think it's cute. I mean, I hate the back of these. I had this in white for holiday and I just found it annoying to put on. How do you actually put it on? I don't know. I'm actually whizzing through this house. Now for the last item in this bag. Grabbed this little Christmas set. It's got candy canes on it. You know, Primark sets, they're great. It is quite see-through, but free the nip, do you know what I mean? Let's get on to my favourite thing. Now, backstory. Let me just say, I wanted this one coat that went viral on TikTok. And of course, I went to like 3 Primarks because I wanted it. Didn't have it. Didn't have it. I hope the people that took it actually like fashion and you're not just trying to follow the trend, because let me just say quick, I've been a fur coat girly all time. If you've been following me on TikTok, also if you don't, make sure you do, because I post so much inspo on there. I barely post on here. I post every like 6 months. Always been a fur coat girly, so I was dying for this coat. It was adorable, but I feel like sometimes people just buy things because it's hyped and then never actually wear it. So if you bought it and you don't want it, I will happily have that. I will buy it. I would literally, I'll give you whatever you want. I saw it in the long version and then I was like, don't really like that. But then I saw it again today. I think it's because I went with my boyfriend, and every time he sees a fur coat now and I wear a fur coat, he sings the song, I'm just kidding, anywhere else I'd be a 10. You know, from the Barbie movie. Anyway, long story short, pow! It's giving Ken's Casa Dojo Mojo house, whatever it is. I love this. I do not care. My cares are so low on the floor about how you don't like this. I love it. It's given Pat Butcher, it's given Cat Slater. Stunning. I want to be part of the family. I absolutely love this. I think it's so nice. The price is not nice at all. It's actually very rude. £60. I know, when I saw that I was like, do I? But then I really wanted it, and I'm going to film with it today because I'm going to do my Winter Wonderland outfits video. I know. I've taken 25 working days to do it. It's actually a joke. Is Winter Wonderland still a thing right now? I don't know. Time you watch this, I probably still haven't posted it. But yeah, I love this coat. Rita Ora collection, £60 rip-off. But it does feel really lovely. Anyway, got these fluffy things. I just whacked myself in the face. And this is molting everywhere. It's all on my face. £4.50 I believe this was. Yeah, these are so nice. I think, obviously I can't put it on properly now because I don't want it too much on my forehead. What the hell? Maybe if I rolled it. Yeah, I think if I adjusted it and made it sit nicer, I can make this work. Although it's fluffing in my hair, it's winding me up. I think this is really cute. Keep your head warm. Like whenever I wear a headband like this, my head is toasty, let me tell you. Yeah, I think if I fold it like that, stunning. I'm going to do that if I pin it. Cool. And then I got it in this colour as well. This is like a neutral. This is like the colour of that coat I wanted. Okay, and then I also got these because I thought this would look quite expensive with these. These were £4.50. They're really nice and warm inside. They've got the fluff and they are brown, and I love everything to do with that. I'm actually so obsessed with this coat. Like, I would dress this so many ways. I'd wear it with beige, I'd wear it with black, I'd wear it with brown, I'd wear it with everything. These are cute. And then, oh my god, stunning red PJs. These are like the Primark pyjamas that I absolutely love, although they are a bit long on the legs, but you know what, sometimes you just have to get over things, and that's what I do with these. But this red colour, as soon as I saw it, I was like, how are you in stock in my size? I went to this Primark at like what day is this? Wednesday at 9 AM when they just opened. I feel like I need to go there every week on opening time because I got this and it's amazing. £15, very expensive. They do feel very soft, but they're not like thick, so it's a bit like, are you worth it? But I love these. I love the white piping around it. Can't wait to wear these, to be honest. Absolutely stunning. I bought my friend a black pair for her birthday and she absolutely loves them. If you are my boyfriend's family, please leave because I got a couple presents in here for you guys. Goodbye. Anyways, and then I grabbed his sister a pair of the navy ones. I was going to get her some, like, they've got the tartan ones, which I've got. They had other ones, but I thought you can't go wrong with navy. I did want to get black, but didn't have black, so I just got navy. Again, £15. Hopefully I can rip that tag off. Yeah. I just thought it was really cute. Just simple presents, because if you don't know what to get someone and they haven't asked for anything, things like cozies are just the best ever. I know I would love to receive pyjamas. I also got her just some fluffy socks. These are grey and white. Comes with 2 pairs in there. Yeah, these were £2. Just so then she has fluffy socks to go with her new PJs. I just love that. I honestly would love to receive something like that. I got his mum a pair as well. Oh no. Oh yeah, it does. Why are these in different packets? They're the same thing. I don't know. Some of the same ones. I did want to get her a knitted jumper, but they just didn't have any I liked. So I am going to have to go on a hunt for another one. She gets quite cold like me, so just want her to be cozy. And then I got these super fluffy little white gloves. Again, so nice. Got this wine colour pair of leggings. These were £7. Are you lying? What? It's actually not okay. Like, genuinely, that is not okay. Oh, my ear. It's not. They are quite long. Like, they look very long for me. But I just will have to deal and roll them up. But yeah, they feel really nice. I just wish they were smaller. Goodness me. Wine is like the colour at the moment. Every year I do chocolate bags for like my boyfriend, my dad and my brother. It's £1.30 each. Bit of a rip-off, but I did like them because I love the Grinch. A 2-pack of gloves. These are £1. That's more like a Primark. Got this seamless nude bra, which is really nice. It's like not padded or anything. It's just super nice and seamless. I love Primark bras. They last a really nice time. Are they as good as my lounge ones? Absolutely not, because lounge is just the best. Finally, last but not least, another Rita Ora collection moment. These I love or hate. I absolutely love these. These little get out of shot. These rose neck pieces. I love these. They are really lovely. I got this because it was Diamond Tea, so I thought for like party season would be quite nice. £5, expensive. But yeah, that was everything I got from Primark. I know that was such a quick haul. I love that I'm still wearing this coat. Slay the boots house, honestly. But yeah, that was everything I got from Primark. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want any more Primark hauls, because I can certainly do that. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and my TikTok, because I'm posting party season content in there. Winter Wonderland, Christmas Day, Christmas party. Every inspo occasion you ever want is on my page. I post so much more regularly. I post every single day on my TikTok. I love my TikTok. It's literally my baby. Also, we're literally 50,000 away from 1 million. On the map! What the hell? You guys are actual nutters. I love you guys the most. Hope you have the best day. And I'll probably see you in about 3 months' time.